start company. It's called Bezcomtr, and ST Group established this brand on 2019. Our factory is located in Turkey, and we are the manufacturer of nonwoven bags. But how do we work? So first of all, you can contact us on email or on WhatsApp. Then our team will lead you about the bags as you wish. And also you can customize your bags. If you want to know how, you can click on this button. And after that, we will prepare prices for you. When you confirm it, we will prepare a design, and then at last, we will prepare an order confirmation for you. And you will see every detail on it. The unit price, design, quantity, everything. But how do we produce your bags? So first of all, we prepare your fabrics and your cliché. You know what is cliché? Cliché is a printing plate with your design on it. And for this, we use flexo printing. We can print maximum 6 colors. When we finish the printing your rolls of fabrics, they will be ready for cutting. And based on your order confirmation, your bags will be nonwoven bags with handles, D-cut, t-shirt bags, or drawstring bags. Our ultrasonic machines will cut your bags and they will be ready for packaging. Bez nonwoven bags. Our bags are eco-friendly, long-lasting, and at last but not least, they are extremely affordable. Let your advertisement travel from hand to hand.